start new chapter. Paint. Paint is an application where we can draw the pictures and color the pictures. Now we are going to learn how to start paint application. Click the start button. Here in the search box, type paint. Type paint in the search box. Click paint. The paint application will appear on the screen. This is the paint application. Now here you can see menu bar. On the menu bar you can see home tab. When you select home tab, when you see the menu tab, all the necessary tools for painting and editing in ribbon are seen. This is select tool. Select tool is used to select an image. This is text tool. Text tool is used to type text on your drawing. This is brush tool. Brush tool is used to draw different kinds of brushes. This is shapes. Here from the shapes you can take any shape and draw the shape. This is borders. You can see the borders over here. When you want to draw any border, you can select the border and draw this border. This is color box. By using color box, you can select the color and fill the color in the picture. Now here this is eraser. Eraser tool is used to erase a picture. Eraser tool is used to erase a picture. This is line tool. Line tool is in the shapes box. Line tool is used to draw a line. This is curve tool. Curve tool is used to draw curve lines. This is pencil tool. Pencil tool is used to draw free-form lines and shapes. Pencil tool is used to draw free-form lines and shapes. Pick tool. Pick tool is used to pick a color. Pick tool is used to pick a color from one picture and put it in another picture. Children, you can see two circles over here with different colors. Now here in first circle it is red color. It is filled with red color. And here in second color it is in yellow color. Now I want the second circle to be in red color. Select pick tool. Click on first circle and select fill with color and click on the second color. Okay children, you can see we have filled the color, red color. The yellow color has been changed to red color. We want to erase this image. Erase the two circles on the screen. Select the eraser tool. So eraser tool is used to erase. Now when you select eraser, you can see different sizes over here. Select the size from the size box. And erase the image. By using eraser, we can erase the image. Now we are going to learn about curve tool. Curve tool is used to draw a curved line. From the shapes box, select the curve tool. First select the curve and draw a line. Then put the mouse pointer at the point and move the mouse cursor in whichever direction you want the curve. I am moving to the right side to get a curve on the right side. Curve tool is used to draw curved lines. Learn about circle tool. Circle tool is used to draw circles and ellipse. Select the circle from the shapes box. Select, click and drag the mouse vertically to draw a circle. Now to draw an ellipse tool, drag the mouse in a horizontal direction to draw an ellipse tool. With the help of circle, we can draw a circle and an ellipse tool. And rectangle. Using the square tool, we can draw a square. Select the square, drag the mouse vertically to draw a square. drag the mouse. Now drag the mouse, click the mouse and drag the mouse in a horizontal direction to draw a rectangle. We are going to learn how to use magnifier tool. Magnifier tool is used to increase the size of the picture. Now click on magnifier tool. When you select the magnifier tool, press left click to increase the size. Decrease the size of the picture. Press left mouse button. Magnifier tool is used to increase the size. To increase the size, press left mouse button where we can increase the size of the image. To decrease the size of the image, click right click so that you can decrease the size of the image. Here on the status bar you can see the zoom slider. By using this zoom slider also we can increase the size and decrease the size. When you click toward the plus sign, it will increase the image. When you move toward the left side, the image will be decreased. Different patterns and textures. First select the brush tool. Then you can see the different patterns over here. Select the pattern and select the size and select the color, and you can draw the different patterns using brush tool. Now we are going to learn about text tool. Text tool. With the help of text tool we can type text in the drawing. Now select the text tool and drag the mouse to draw a box. When you select the text tool you can see different options here. Now this is font where you can change the handwriting. This is font size. With the help of font size we can change the size. This is bold. Bold is used to make it bold. Light highlighting. We can highlight by using bold. Underline is used to underline. Color option is used to select the text, the text color. So I have drawn. I have typed this application font size, color. I have typed the text using text box. Now I want to erase. Undo is used to cancel the last action. Thank you children. In the next to continue the remaining part.